Hello and welcome. This is India Today. I'm Rahul Kanwal. We've got breaking news coming in that after the bravado and the bluster from yesterday, exposed Hurriyat conference leader Naeem Khan has now gone underground. His wife Hamida Khan has been tracked down by India Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu in Srinagar. She says she has no idea where Naeem Khan is, that he hasn't been home since this investigation went on air. Remember, yesterday in the evening when we broke the story on India Today, we had Naeem Khan come to our office. He tried to intimidate and bully and browbeat our correspondents, try and somehow get that expose taken off air. Of course, India Today did nothing of the sort. Now we're getting reports that Naeem Khan has gone underground. All that bluster followed by this disappearing act. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu went to the downtown Haidarpura residence of Naeem Khan. She spoke, she doorstepped and accosted Hamida Khan, the wife of Naeem Khan. Listen to what Hamida had to say.
Naeem Khan has said what he has said. He has defended himself.
You will not be speaking on it.
I will not speak on any. I have never spoken so far on behalf of Hurriyat. Whenever I was asked a question, I said they will speak them. It's not for the first time. I was asked questions about Gilani, about Mirwais, about Yasin. I said they will defend themselves. And I will say the same thing about my husband. You understand? I have nothing to say.
Right, ma'am.
Because he knows. I don't know. I have not yet met him. Otherwise, who doesn't know Pakistan आपका पैसे भेजता है? नहीं, साहब ने कोई revelation नहीं किया. अगर उसने बोला भी. You understand? अगर उसने बोला भी कोई नई revelation नहीं है. It has been happening here from 55.
But that he is being used as a tool, burning down schools.
No. I can't believe that. That is a simulation. I can't believe that nonsense. That he can burn. वो 6 महीने बंद था. He was under house arrest and so on. He has no role in anything. I can't believe this is simulation. It's nothing else.
After the bluster, Naeem Khan now going underground. I want to go across live and exclusive to Srinagar. Joining us from there, Nirmal Singh, Deputy Chief Minister of the Government of Jammu and Kashmir, one of the senior most leaders in the Mehbooba Mufti government in Srinagar. He's joining us live on this broadcast. Dr. Singh, welcome to India Today. I want your reaction on the Hurriyat truth tapes, a hard-hitting India Today investigation that has laid bare the devious, darkest secrets of the Hurriyat conference.
It's a known fact and it's already in the public domain. But I congratulate India Today that they have put in that public domain with facts, and the people who are concerned with it, they themselves are telling this. So this is on record now. We are always saying that Pakistan is creating trouble in Jammu and Kashmir. They are using people from Jammu and Kashmir to create such situation, whether it's stone pelting, whether it's terrorism. This terrorism is thriving on such money, whether it's hawala money or fake money. So this has been proved by your channel. I congratulate you.
Dr. Singh, as the Deputy Chief Minister of the state of Jammu and Kashmir, what do you believe needs to be done? What has been in the realm of conjecture, what's been insinuated on, now caught on camera in the incriminating comments made, admissions of the Hurriyat leadership. What do you believe the government in Jammu and Kashmir needs to do next? Do you believe, Dr. Singh, that the time has come for the Hurriyat conference to be banned?
I thank you, your channel, for these revelations, and I assure you that the government will do whatever they can do under law, and law will definitely take its own course, and we won't allow such activities to be conducted on the soil of India, on the soil of Jammu and Kashmir. We assure you the government will take appropriate action.
I appreciate your assurance. I'm asking you a direct question. I know we've spoken off camera several times about the Hurriyat conference. I'm asking you now a very straight and direct question, and all of India listens as you say this. Do you believe, on the basis of this incriminating video where the Hurriyat leadership is accepting that they engage in terrorism, that they burn schools, they burn panchayat buildings, do you believe the Hurriyat conference should be banned?
I can say that the central government as well as the state government will take call on this, and they will assess all the aspects and will take appropriate action in this regard.
You believe would be appropriate action, Dr. Singh? Don't hedge, don't be ambiguous. We will, I'm getting leaders from the central government later. As the senior most BJP voice in the PDP government in Srinagar, would you like to make a personal recommendation that the Hurriyat be banned? What the government does is later. What does Nirmal Singh believe? Do you believe we should have dialogue with the Hurriyat conference? Or do you believe the time has come for the Hurriyat to be banned, Dr. Singh?
So far as dialogue is concerned, that can't be held under such situations. But so far as the action against the people who have been caught on the camera, the government will definitely take appropriate action as per the law of the land.
You are the Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. What do you think is appropriate action? What do you believe needs to be done legally to send out a strong message to these crooks and terrorists in the Hurriyat conference that what they are doing is not okay and that this nonsense has to end? They've been exposed through and through. What do you believe needs to be done?
The government, whether it's central government or the state government, they will definitely give strong message and implement the law very strongly.
Dr. Singh, stay with me for a moment. I'm going to play out. I want to listen to what you have to say about the specific comments made by the characters like Bitta Karate Naeem Khan. I want to play out just one small part of what Naeem Khan said in this investigation done by my colleagues Jamshed Khan and Sushant Pathak. Listen just to one part of what Naeem Khan is saying in the Hurriyat Truth Tapes, and then I want to know, Deputy Chief Minister, what you have to say about it. Here is Naeem Khan in this Big India Today expose, exposed through and through.
पिछले 3 साल से चाह रहा था कि ऐसी चीज हो।
कैसे?
इतनी बड़ी पावरफुल स्टेशन चले
जो अब चलिए बुरहानवादी के बाद 5 महीने जो अब चल रही है।
हाँ, चल रही है। मतलब वो इतना भी नहीं चाहते थे, कहीं वो 1 महीना चाहते थे कि पावरफुल 1 महीना। ऐसा नहीं होता, मतलब इसमें बड़ी चीजें फिर शामिल हो जाती हैं।
उनकी फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट रही इस वाले में, प्रेजेंट
में रहा, बट जिस लेवल का होना चाहिए
फिर भी
जिस लेवल का मैंने
100 करोड़ तो रहा होगा।
छोटी सी बात
इतना तो रहा ना,
तो उससे ज्यादा ही रहा, बट मैं कहता हूँ
ज्यादा ही रहा। आपकी फंडिंग है वो मतलब साल के हिसाब से वो करते हैं आपकी फंडिंग, या हाउ दे फंड यू?
डिफरेंट,
या क्वार्टरली दे फंड यू,
क्वार्टरली
या एनुअली दे फंड यू?
कभी मतलब क्वार्टरली और 6 मंथली इस तरीके से
आ जाता है।
और कभी कभार वो ऐसा भी होता है कि वो कहीं सूर्या में रहते हैं, कतर में किस्त देते हैं, वहां से वहां गया, वहां से इधर आ गया दिल्ली, फिर आपने यहाँ से मुझे दिया। थोड़ा सा उसमें भी होता है परसेंटेज बीच वाला कट भी करता है, जैसे पाकिस्तान से वहां गया, वहां से।
हाँ जी, क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा ना पाकिस्तान से मदद होती रही, मैंने कहा कि वो कैसे हो रही थी?
और दिल्ली में मिलेगा, वो कश्मीर में नहीं मिलेगा, वो आज नहीं आएगा।
अच्छा, तो पाकिस्तान
दुबई से आप चाहे सूर्या से कहीं से अगर आप कांटेक्ट यहाँ लाने की प्रॉब्लम है, नईम खान हाजिर।
तो आप पाकिस्तान से फंडिंग कैसे लेते हैं, दिल्ली में या कश्मीर में?
वो भी इधर से ही आ जाती है,
दिल्ली से
आ जाता है, वो वाइट में ही आ जाता है, उस तरह थोड़ी। आप जैसे लोग खैर खा लोग होते हैं तो
और यूएस से
अपना परसेंटेज उठा के कर ही लेते हैं। हवाला वगैरह जिस तरह भी चलता है वैसे ही चलता है, साफ सी बात है इसमें क्या।
और यूएस से भी दिल्ली के थ्रू?
हाँ, सारा ही हिंदुस्तान से ही सारा होता है,
डायरेक्ट कश्मीर में नहीं।
कश्मीर में कोई जगह देखिए इंटरनेशनल जो आपके पोर्ट्स भी यही हैं और आपके पास इंटरनेशनल ये भी हैं, एयरपोर्ट्स भी हैं, सब कुछ तो यही है ना।
करेंसी कोई एयरपोर्ट के थ्रू थोड़ी आएगी?
नहीं, बॉर्डर से नहीं आती करेंसी। पहले एक टाइम में थोड़ी आती थी, मेजर यहाँ से ही होता है। आप बिजनेस में दिल्ली में आपके जरिए वहाँ लेते हैं, मुझे आप यहाँ देते हैं, सब सी बात है।
हवाला
सारा बिलीमारान और ये
चांदनी चौक
सारा उधर से जैसे जैसे इंडिया में हवाला चलता है उसी में थोड़ा सा हमारा भी उसी में चलते हैं.
What I find most disturbing about this investigation, Dr. Nirmal Singh, is the part where Naeem Khan talks about burning schools in Kashmir. For the longest time, the Hurriyat Conference has tried to portray to the people of the valley that they are their supporters, that they have the best wishes of the people of Kashmir in their hearts. Now in this incriminating video, Naeem Khan, the provincial president, says very flippantly, we burn schools, everything that burns in Kashmir burns because we want it to burn. These are his own words. You know, they pretend to be well-wishers of Kashmir, but when the reality is exposed, they turn out to be enemies of the people of the valley, Dr. Singh.
That's the reality. And you have seen last time, during last year, what they did. Their own people, their own children, they were studying. In the DPS and other schools, they have studied outside the state, outside the country. Whereas so far as the children of the poor people is concerned, they are burning their schools. This is highly condemnable, unfortunate. And your channel has exposed this. Definitely you have strengthened the hands of the law, and we have already started taking appropriate action. The law and order agencies, the police has been directed to take appropriate action against all this nonsense.
That's breaking news you're giving us. So can we run on our channel just now that the Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir has told India Today that the law and order enforcement agencies, the police, has been told to take legal action, that criminal cases will be filed against the likes of Naeem Khan, Bitta Karate, that they will be booked and arrested?
Definitely, the law has to be implemented, and it's a now the cat is out of bag, and we were saying this. Now it's a fact, and I congratulate your channel for doing this. So definitely the law will take its own course, and the law and order agencies, they have been directed to take appropriate action.
Can I ask you, Dr. Nirmal Singh, you know, you're congratulating us again and again, and we accept, you know, your wishes for a very solid investigation by an investigation team. But you also said that in Kashmir, people know about it. Why then is the Mehbooba Mufti government, in which you're an alliance partner, so soft on the Hurriyat? Why then are people like Naeem Khan, Bitta Karate is on camera admitting he killed Kashmiri Pandits, that he was responsible for chasing hundreds of families away. He said this on camera himself. People like Naeem Khan, why are they being allowed to walk free? Why haven't you locked them up and arrested them? This should have been done earlier, especially since you're saying you've known about some of these things which have been put out in the public domain by India Today now.
Definitely some of the facts, they were not in the public domain. Now you have exposed it. Definitely it has strengthened the hands of the law and order agencies. Now the action shall be taken.
Expose, you're saying, has strengthened the hands of the law and order agencies, given them something concrete to work with and to arrest and to book characters like Bitta Karate and Naeem Khan. Nirmal Singh, stay with me. I've got breaking news coming in about this story. Sharad Yadav, senior leader of the Janata Dal United, has come and said there is no question of going back on the dialogue with the Hurriyat Conference. Remember, opposition leaders, which included the likes of Manmohan Singh, Sitaram Yechuri, had said there must be dialogue with the Hurriyat Conference. Sharad Yadav was amongst the leaders who were at the forefront of that initiative. He says India Today's investigation is gabbazi, the dialogue must continue. Sharad Yadav in an exclusive conversation with my colleague Supriya Bardawaj.
I have been joined by senior leader of JDU, Mr. Sharad Yadav. Sir, हमारा एक स्टिंग ऑपरेशन हुआ जिसमें हुर्रियत के काफ़ी लोगों ने सामने आके बोला कि हम उनको पैसा मिल रहा है, 400 करोड़ तक का पैसा मिल रहा है कश्मीर को बंद रखने का, वहाँ पे स्कूल जलाने के लिए। किस तरह देखते हैं आप इसे?
मैं ऐसी बातों पे यकीन नहीं करता। और आपका किया हुआ स्टिंग इस पर मुझे यकीन नहीं है। मैं इतना जानता हूं कि कश्मीर के मामले में 70 बरस से हमारे देश में इतनी शहादत हुई है। देश की एकता और अखंडता के लिए कश्मीर, जम्मू कश्मीर एक बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण सवाल है हमारा। उसका समाधान हमारे पुरखे करते रहे हैं, हम लोग भी करते रहेंगे। और ये जो गपबाजी है इसमें मैं यकीन नहीं करता।
तो सर जो पहले जो ये निकल के आ रहा है कि हुर्रियत को पाकिस्तान से पैसा मिल रहा है,
आपसे कहा कि पाकिस्तान जो है वो अकेले नहीं, पाकिस्तान बाजू में जब से बना है तब से वो हमारे देश के साथ उसका एटीट्यूड है ना, वो रिएक्शन में ही बना है। वो रिएक्शन आज तक बना हुआ है। वो समस्या बाजू में है। हमारे बाप दादे बांट गए देश को ना, वो समस्या बाजू में, उसका रास्ता निकालना, उसका समाधान करना है।
तो सर हुर्रियत आपको जो आपने पहले भी कहा था कि जब कश्मीर का कॉन्क्लेव जब किया जाएगा तो सेपरेटिस्ट को क्यों बुलाया जाएगा, क्यों बातचीत की जाएगी?
किसने कह दिया आपसे? कश्मीर का सवाल जो है वो अकेले वो नहीं है। देश हम जो लोग सोच रहे हैं कि हमारी जो साझा विरासत है, यहाँ सबको साथ लेकर चलने का जो एक संविधान में और हमारी फ्रीडम मूवमेंट का एक रास्ता था, वो आज पूरी तरह से उसमें इतनी उस राह को, उस रास्ते को इतना चोट पहुंचाई जा रही है। तो वो सारे सवाल हैं।
Totally jaundiced worldview of leaders like Sharad Yadav. He's calling the incriminating video testimony of Naeem Khan gabbazi. Dr. Nirmal Singh, they want to do a conclave with all these Hurriyat crooks, and he's calling this gabbazi. What do you make of what Sharad Yadav is saying? How would you respond to Sharad Yadav saying, हम तो बात करेंगे हुर्रियत से बात करना बहुत जरूरी है? Dr. Singh.
So far as the government is talking to such people, I think that's not possible on such situations. We have said in our agenda of alliance that the state government is prepared to listen to anybody, but that can't be done under the shadow of guns as well as in the during stone pelting. That's our stated stand. So far these Sharad Yadav ji and other people are concerned, I don't know what's their plan, but I can tell about the stand taken by the state government as well as the central government.
No, so you've said some very important things, Dr. Nirmal Singh. You're saying that you've asked the law enforcement agencies, the police, to take strict and immediate action against people like Naeem Khan and Bitta Karate. I want to extend that one step further. Does that not mean that the Hurriyat should be banned, should be declared a terrorist organization? Because what they've done, by their own admission, in this expose is nothing short of terrorism. When your leaders are talking about burning schools, about receiving Hawala money from Pakistan, about fomenting trouble in Jammu and Kashmir, this is exactly what is terrorism. What else is this if this is not terrorism? Are you prepared to say, as Deputy Chief Minister, what the Hurriyat is doing in Kashmir is nothing less than terrorism, sir?
Actually, whatever you have done, as I said, that you have just exposed them. Now it's up to the law and order agencies to investigate it further and establish the facts as per the law. And you have strengthened our hands of the government. Definitely, the law and order agencies, the police will do whatever they can do as per the law.
Again, how do you believe the question of the Hurriyat should be tackled? Because there are lots of Hurriyat Hamdards who come out and say, talk to the Hurriyat. How should the Hurriyat be dealt with? Some of the leaders of the Hurriyat conference are in house arrest. Some of them are still roaming free. People like Bitta Karate, people like Naeem Khan, they are roaming unhindered. How do you believe the Hurriyat should be approached going forward?
Definitely there is a law of land, and the government is taking appropriate actions. Though there is every effort to create a law and order problem here, Patharbaji, there's terrorists, they are killing the innocent people like Lieutenant Fiaz Umar. But you'll see that we have made a comprehensive plan, and ultimately you'll see that the government shall be able to control all this, and whatever facts they come to light, the government is taking cognizance of that and will take appropriate action. Thank you
Dr.
very much.
Nirmal Singh, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for joining us. The Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir saying that the police has been directed in the state to take prompt, immediate and strict action against the Hurriyat conference. We of course need to see what that action will be. This is a big breaking story causing a political tumult all the way from Delhi to Srinagar. Every single person who's been calling from the valley since last evening talking about this investigation and this investigation alone. In time to come, it will define how the people of India perceive the Hurriyat conference.